As I mentioned before, SDBR isn't a panacea for all manufacturing environments. The approach assumes that the sequence of work going through a CCR, if there is one, makes little or no difference to the capacity of the CCR, or in other words, one setup is much like another. However, this is not always the case. In plants with sequence dependent setups, SDBR shouldn't be used as careful scheduling of the CCR is required to maintain productive capacity. A classic example of this situation is a paint plant. Paint is made through the same process regardless of the color. However, problems arise when you change the color being produced. If, for example, you have been producing black paint and then change over to white paint, the setup time required to clean the process thoroughly is much greater than if you were to switch to a dark grey. Otherwise, you end up with grey paint you didn't want. In environments like this, the time it takes to change over to a new product can increase the setup time dramatically, and careful scheduling of the sequence of production is needed to avoid huge losses of capacity. How you handle this situation is beyond the scope of this video, so I won't deal with it here, but suffice to say you shouldn't use SDBR in these circumstances.